All right, solar documentary. This is the second set that we're creating over at my house. And right now we only have 9 panels up. Uh, these are 230 watts each. And they're not yet grounded, so, when I was playing with it earlier, I felt a little tingle, even though I was fully insulated. So I have to do that later. But yeah. So these have Tyco connections, and I changed some of them to MC4 so it can accommodate our existing system. That's still in the works. And for the remainder of the surface area, we're gonna put in the remainder of the panels. Now underneath the railings, instead of using metal railings, I'm actually using wood because it's easier to work with. And yeah, I'll go into the details of why I opted to do that later. But so this is one method of mounting solar panels onto like a flat surface, or a relatively flat surface, if you don't want to buy like extra racking or whatever. So yeah, more to come.